treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. But mother will catch you, cradle and all.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
I'm here with my daughter Dawn. She's doing great. She's recovering from her surgery. A little bit longer and she'll be there.
Yes.
So we're all happy to be here, right, as a family. Mm-hmm. And we're having a nice fajita bar Mother's Day. So anyway, it's good to see all of you. I hope you're all enjoying your day. Here's our hosts for the day, Dawn and Jason. Hi, kids.
Hello. Hi, Grandma.
Happy
Baking
Mother's
Diva.
Day, Dawn.
Hi again. Happy Mother's Day.
I know. Yeah, you're getting to be on this video saying hello twice.
You gotta cut that out.
I know. I know. That is true. All right. Well, where are the boys?
They're coming.
Okay.
One of them's
All right.
behind you.
See you later.
Bye.
Well, here they are, the Goldberg family. We got Mom, Dawn,
Everybody need a drink?
hubby, Jason, and the two boys who are celebrating their mom today. Jake up there on the left and Aaron on the right. Hi, boys. Hi. What a group. See you later. Oh, here's sister and brother over here. My two little darlings. Hi. How you doing?
Great.
Good. Oh, thank you.
I've already said it.
Yes, you
times.
did. All righty. Oh, Dawn has her wound vac. She's a little
Hi,
disappointed.
Hannibal. Nice to meet you, Hannibal.
Oh my God, because she went to the doctor the other day and she thought she was going to be able to take it off, right? But he said, what, 3 more weeks?
Yeah, I'm gonna like lasso it.
After 11 weeks, she's slap happy now.
I will now change your sponge.
11?
Oh, there's Nurse Scott.
We're
I will
past
change your
11.
sponge.
Scott wants to change your sponge. Well, it's a good thing you can laugh about it, right? Better to laugh than cry.
I'm like,
That's right.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Well, here we are at Dawn and Jason's house, and they are hosting Mother's Day this year. So what are we doing? We're having a Mexican Mother's Day, and here I'm photographing the fajita bar. What do we have over here? The shells, and ooh, we have a chicken. And here is, ooh, onions and peppers. We have rice, we have black beans, cheese, lettuce. What is this? Salsa and sour cream. Oh, and this cheese, Dawn, is what?
queso.
Queso cheese. And oh my goodness, you think we have enough chips for the day? So we're all going to dig in a minute, and we're going to have fajitas. And here's Pebbles. Hi, Pebbles. Pebbles is getting ready to have some fajitas, too. Hi, Pebbles. So cute.
Oh, nice.
Aaron's digging into the queso. Is that spicy, Aaron?
No.
No,
It has
it's
a little
just cheese,
kick to it.
little kick to it.
Want to,
My first one satisfied.
out?
There's the cameraman. Cameraman's, you can always find the cameraman where the food is, right, cameraman?
Right, camera lady. Yeah.
And Aaron, too. Aaron was first online for his fajita, and the cameraman is second online. Jake, he's helping himself to some fajitas. He's not first online, though. We had Aaron first, and then Gramps, the cameraman. Here, the cameraman. Hi, cameraman. What are you eating over there? Your fajitas?
I have everything but the heater part. I like to eat it like this.
Oh.
That's the way I like it.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. Enjoy.
Thanks.
Looks like Dawn and Jason hit the nursery yesterday. Dawn's a little delayed in her planting because of her surgery, but she'll get there. I'm sure Jason's going to help her, right, Jason?
Absolutely.
Here we have Jay and Aaron, Panther Pride. They came out to play a little ball. They want to work off those calories from the fajita bar. Oh, Aaron!
Whipping it at me.
Woo! There's Jake over there, and Pebble, she wants to get in on the show. Pebble! Look at her! She's running around with a ball bigger than she is. Pebbles! She's so cute.
I'm ready. I'll give it to you.
Two athletes here. Whoop! The two athletes. Come on, Aaron.
60?
Good kids. Oh. All right. Pebbles wants to get it. Go Pebbles! Go Pebbles! She's funny. There's always room for dessert. Look at this tiramisu cake. Ooh.
I tried to
We
widen
have
as much as I
blueberry
could.
crumb. We have apple crumb.
She's good at that stuff.
And you know what? I always make a malted milk dip at Easter time with the Cadbury malted milk eggs. Well, they all love the dip so much that Dawn made this one with just regular Whoppers. And she has things to dip in it, and we have little lemon sticks here. So, like I said, there's always room for dessert.
So she's putting that on you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nana and Dawn. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Blow out the
Hey, ready?
candles.
Blow them out together.
2, 3, go! Woo! All right, yay! Lights on! Woo! Lights on! Very nice. We have a tiramisu cake there.
Thank you.
Phyllis's birthday was on May 3rd.
Is there
Yeah,
one
and it's
in it?
Mother's Day today.
Very good.
Yeah, so she gets to open some presents.
That's fine. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, Phyllis is opening
There's
a
only one
card. She
dog
just
card out
opened
there.
mine.
it's got different color doing it.
Now she's opening Phyllis's.
Oh, wait.
Oh, that's not yours.
Oh, Lord. She gave her the wrong card.
Sorry, and I even put G in
Oh, what a family this is.
photo. Sorry.
Yeah.
No.
That's okay.
Dawn had a funny look on her face when Phyllis opened the card,
Just
which
keep
leads
opening
me
it.
to believe that she bought the same card as me.
It's funny.
Well, the envelope matches so far.
Yes, so
Let's
far.
see.
Look.
I guess
I think the dog does too.
Let's see the check.
I know the dog does.
Oh no, hold them both up, Phyllis. Let's see your 2 cards. Oh no, woo, the same cards. I guess the acorn doesn't fall far from the tree.
I got it because I know she's a dog.
That's
lover.
why I got
it.
She loves it.
That's pretty funny.
All right, open your gifts, Phyllis.
Dolores and Tim.
There's
Thank
Scotty over there. Hi, Scott.
Thank you, Dolores and Tim. Jason, Dawn, Jake, and Aaron. Thank you, guys.
Mother like daughter.
Oh no. Phyllis is an animal lover, right? So let's see if there's a theme here. Ooh. German Shepherd cup for your hot and cold beverages.
Very nice.
What are you saying, Dee?
Oh, look.
Oh, isn't that?
You like it?
I love it.
Oh, good.
ultimate tumbler. Isn't that?
Yay! Okay, open your next gift.
Coffee in there. Booking time. Untangling something.
Here's her next gift. Let's see what's in there.
You want to sit?
Jerry's helping. Ooh, let's everybody do ooh and ah. Let's everybody do
Okay.
ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. A wind chime with the cardinals. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah.
Tweety!
Phyllis loves cardinals, and there's Tweety on
It's
there.
gonna take some work.
And I got all those
Separating.
tweeties
All right.
right at home. Just
Yes, I know. Dawn's birthday was May 4th, so she's getting open her gift today.
It's May 5th.
My favorite kind of cards.
Yeah.
Sparkly.
Dessert,
Nice.
dessert card.
I think this one is twisted.
Yeah, Jerry's gonna have to fix
I'll
that
do
for
it.
you.
Well, let's take. When we're ready to hang it up,
I have 3 birds.
Let's get ready to do ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah.
I got the same thing from Jason.
Oh, good.
So now I have 2 of
A
these.
QVC gift certificate.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Buy yourself something nice.
I didn't know there was
So Dawn got a little pedicure set, right, Dawn?
It's like a pedicure stand.
Oh, a pedicure
So you put
stand.
your foot up on the stand,
Oh, my, I
and then
can't
it
wait
helps
to
you
see this.
polish your toes.
She said she wanted it, so I ordered it. I actually didn't even open the box. That's just a little Mother's Day gift. Working with a theme here.
It feels like a tumbler.
it looks like a tumbler from here.
Oh, soccer mom.
Soccer mom, that's a
That's
Ray
very
Dunn.
fitting.
That is a Ray Dunn soccer
Thank
mom.
you. What-
Hey, happy birthday, ladies! Happy Mother's Day! Card for Mother's Day from Dawn and
Well, do you
Jason.
need any, I mean,
Let me see what this is. Oh, it says I get a coupon for a free Mother's Day hug. Okay.
Nice.
need any help?
Oh, ladies. Oh, my ladies. How nice. You ready? You ready? Sephora.
Ooh.
Sephora gift card.
Just what she needs. Just what she needs. More makeup.
Sephora. I know just what I'm gonna get. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What?
Another bird.
Another bird? No. Charlotte Tilbury. Hint, hint. Thank you.
You're welcome.